Hello everyone, today I want to show you how I'm making dishcloths. I'm using cotton yarn. It is organic cotton and crochet hook 4 millimeters. I will start with slip knot. And chain 18. First row, I want to make just a row of single crochets, so you start with the second chain stitch from the hook, make single crochet, next stitch single crochet, and make single crochet in each chain stitch. So you should have 17 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn, and this is the pattern. The pattern is just one row pattern, but I will show you how to make it two colors. So single crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitch. This is half double crochet, yarn over into the stitch, pick the yarn, pull it out, yarn over and pull it through all at once. And this is slip stitch, you just pull up a loop and pull through. And so it goes, half double crochet and slip stitch. And I will be making two rows of one color, it is cream color, number 1, and then it will be two rows different color. If you make 2 or 3 colors dishcloths or napkins or anything, basically 2-3 colors, they look more interesting. Plus it is the chance to use your scrap yarn. Of course, for dishcloths you better use cotton. To finish the row, it will be half double crochet and always one single crochet in the last stitch. There you are. Then chain 1 and turn. I'm making one more row in this color. Start with single crochet, then half double crochet, and slip stitch. Half double crochet, slip stitch. This is very easy pattern, very easy to remember and very easy to make. You can even make a blanket of it or a scarf. At the end of this row we will change the color, and I will show you how to change the color. I will not cut the yarn. and I will show you how to do it. And there you are. This is the end of row 3. So single crochet in the last stitch, then introducing next color. It is mustard color. You just make a loop, pull it through, tighten your first color, chain 1 and turn. Repeat the pattern with this second color, single crochet, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. Then I will show you how to change the color back to the white one, or cream one in my case. Yeah, this is the end of the row. We will make single crochet, then chain 1 and turn. Start the next row again with single crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitch. And keep going with half double crochet, slip stitch all the way till the end of the row. At the end of the row it's always single crochet, then change the color. This is how I change the color. Just pick first color, pull it through the loop, chain 1 and turn. And there you are. I'm going to change color every 2 rows. This will give you very nice structure. This slip stitch shows this one loop. Looks very nice. And to give it better finish, you just go around with single crochet all around. Make chain 1 in the corners. Otherwise just 1 single crochet in each row, or 1 single crochet in each stitch, and you will crochet all over these loose ends and it will tighten them. Make a row, 1 row or 2 rows of single crochets. I have made only 1. And this is the pattern for today. That's what I'm making. What are you making today? You can write in the comments what are you making and what do you plan to make. I would love to read it. And maybe you can give me some other ideas what we can make together. And thank you very much for coming today. You can always click Hobbi Crochet and check my other videos. I've got lots of videos to make some dollies and key rings and lots of others.